the reality of a company about to hit a big growth spurt. The only thing they know for sure is there's a bunch of uncertainty coming their way. One of the things to remember is that what they choose in terms of these system decisions are going to be with them for a long, long time. And one of the things we see a lot in growth companies is what I'll call the point solutions trap, which is a small growth company that ends up with 5, 10, maybe 15 systems that do various things. And you wonder, how in the world did they get in that situation? Because when we encounter them, they're trying to unwind it. Part of it is obviously they don't have an IT department that oversees all this stuff and keeps everything in order. Part of it is that point solutions look really good. They got a lot of features. They're departmental focused. It's easy to get kind of mesmerized by that at the departmental level. So you go ahead and you do that. You get something for HR, you get something for sales, you get something for service, you get something for the next thing. What's going to happen is you're going to try to integrate those systems, but integration drives technical debt. It gets to a point where you got all these point solutions and all this integration, and the business is struggling to maintain systems rather than spending their energy on growth. But what we're offering is a platform decision. What makes a Salesforce platform the right foundation for growth? One, it's clear it's the market leader. Part of that is when you look at it from a platform perspective, Salesforce has got all the core things you need that are native. And then beyond that, within all of that structure, you've got all kind of options to extend the system. You can literally build whatever you want to on the platform. You've got the biggest add-in ecosystem of any provider by far. And then connectivity. We've got a fully mapped API stack. So those are some things to consider when you're about to make a decision. You're either going to end up with a bunch of point solutions, or you're going to end up with a platform.